my name is Vidalis Njoki, and that is my sign name. Our interpreter doing the voicing is Wanjangede. On to our past news item. Cabinet Secretary CS Aden Duale on Sunday moved to quell public anxiety, firmly refuting claims that the newly signed Kenya-US Health Cooperation Framework will allow the United States to access individual citizens' personal medical records. The 7-year health cooperation deal has ignited significant public concern regarding the type and scope of patient information set to be shared between the two nations. In a comprehensive statement issued by the Ministry of Health, CS Duale maintained that the agreement includes strict privacy guardrails, permitting only the exchange of aggregated health data. And on to our next news. The government is intensifying its crackdown on project delays and shoddy workmanship by significantly stepping up unannounced inspections and implementing a robust system for blacklisting poor-performing contractors. Eliud Owalo, Deputy Chief of Staff for Delivery and Government Efficiency, issued a stern warning emphasizing that the administration will no longer tolerate firms that fail to deliver public projects on time or meet quality standards. According to Owalo,
undertaking government projects in the future, we want to caution contractors that is moving forward is going to be very risky to take up government projects and then abandon them midway or be unable to implement them to a logical conclusion. Because you run the risk of being blacklisted. Yeah? You run the risk of being blacklisted. We are witnessing a situation also where certain contractors, in total disregard to lay down protocols, ignore someone first from our relevant government implementing officers and even the Ngao officers who are the eyes of the national government. They don't even attend meetings when they are called for those meetings because there are certain politicians hiding behind those companies.
And on to the next. The United Opposition has launched an attack on President William Ruto's administration, accusing the government of selling off public assets following the recent sale of a 15% stake in telecom giant Safaricom PLC. The government's decision to offload a significant portion of its shares, which was part of a major transaction designed to raise capital for a new infrastructure fund, has sparked an immediate and sharp political backlash.
Simply because somebody somewhere wants a cut. And a cut, as Rigiji has explained, one share at 34 shillings originally, now at 72, and you are selling it at 34, you can imagine if you sell it at 50, mnakubaliana, how big is your share?
In a space in our country where Ruto is selling everything that is working. Mambo ya Kenya pipeline ameuza. Kenya port ameuza. Airport ameuza. Sasa Safaricom imeuzwa. They think that they can put a wedge between me and Kalonzo Musyoka. Let me tell the people of Kenya, the relationship between me and Kalonzo is not about leadership. It is not about politics. It's not about the presidency. It is family. Tunasema ODM, please. Nyinyi mumesaidiwa na Kalonzo siku mingi. Sasa mkitoka kwa Kalonzo muende kwa Ruto, si mutapotea? Tunasema mkuje tuketi karibu. Hata kama mtaki kuketi na mimi, si mketi na Kalonzo, mmekuwa na yeye mwaka 10.
And on to our next news. Principal Secretary for Public Health and Professional Standards, Mary Muthoni, has issued a stern warning to Kenyans regarding food safety and drug consumption ahead of the upcoming festive season. Ms. Muthoni significantly cautioned the public against consuming uninspected meat and the potential dangers of over-the-counter OTC drug abuse during the holidays, emphasizing the need to prioritize health safety.
Imara Mashinani Forum. And this forum basically is a group of people who work in the executives, the implementers of policies in government, starting from CSs, PSs, directors of boards, the chairs of boards and CEOs of boards and other senior executives. It would be important that we have citizen engagement, and that is what we have been able to do. We are engaging the citizens on the ground. If it is an issue to do with health matters, I'm able to answer the citizens while I am on the ground, face to face. Talking about the young people who are at home right now, it's during the holiday. We saw the other day during the World AIDS Celebration Day, HIV and AIDS is still very rampant in our communities, and it is important to note that even teens and children, any person can get HIV.
Thank you for watching Science TV. Don't forget to join us for our next bulletin, The Brief News with myself. Enjoy your lunch. And as we continue with the festive season, be safe and be careful. Goodbye.